Hello everyone, my name is Max. We are right at the DyeMansion booth here at Formnext in Frankfurt, and I'm standing right next to the new generation of the DM60 Reservoir. So our goal was to make black coloring more efficient and more sustainable. And this is what we came up with. So our customers now can still use the same cartridge size, but they can choose between different filling levels in the machine itself. So if you only have a few parts, you can use S size up to 12 times, for example. Or if you have bigger parts, like we can see up here, you can use XL size in terms of filling level. So overall, we were listening to our customers. We made it way more cost efficient, more sustainable. So this is by far the best solution if you are looking for high quality and cost efficient black coloring in the AM market.